Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Buxfer app on your mobile phone, which is an online money management software for tracking expenses, budgets, financial planning and more. So to download it, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your Play Store or App Store and search for Buxfer. You can see the app here, Buxfer Budget and Money Manager. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it and enjoy its features. Here the app is ready to use. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.